Alrighty, fellow YouTubers, RC Viper here, back again. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, so I wanted to shortly show you guys my little track. I've expanded, I've changed. Hang on, let me light my cigarette. Don't do this at home. I am a professional. Alrighty, so I have been tinkering, working, and changing and editing. Obviously, my son misses his trees and his car. So, as you can see, I have redone the second track to the second height. Everything's the same, except I want to extend my track right here. You know, I'll put some wood right there. We'll get that going. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Let's see. I also put in a new switching station, so I can go this way or that way. Let's see. As you can see, a little slow right there, but it will make the climb because it is like a 6-to-1 ratio. And that, my friends, is my little railroad. I am still trying to get the Nacho videos up, so stay tuned. And until then, guys, get out there, have fun with the RCs. Nacho says hi. I'll see you guys next time. Viper signing off.